name is Julie Sutcliffe and welcome to the Paper Haven. I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator and I'm in West Yorkshire in the UK, and it's been a while since I shared a video that wasn't just a regular coffee and card session that I do on every Tuesday. But I had a bit of a spring clean in my craft room yesterday. It was a mess. It was beyond a mess. It was so demotivating from a crafting perspective. So I spent good 3 hours having a sort out yesterday and a clean up. And it's Sunday afternoon and I want to just take some time to share one of the new kits. I will share the other kit in another video. I think that's probably the best. And these are the kits that have been launched in February from Stampin' Up, both available now. This one that I'm going to share with you in this video, I just had to double check the name. It's called So Much to Celebrate. Now this one is a non-stamping kit and the colours in it and the designs look gorgeous. And I'm just going to check on my website because I've forgotten how much it is. And I think it's less than £15. Yes, it's £14, which is fabulous. So the greatest gifts, this one, as I said, doesn't have stamping in it. So I'm going to share this with you this afternoon. Now, if you do hear a little bit, I don't think you will be able to, but I don't suppose it's bad if you do. Craig's practicing piano downstairs, so you may hear a little bit of piano, but I'm not sure you will. So as with all our kits, they come in these fab repurposable boxes, and this one is all shrink wrapped, and I would imagine it comes in other languages as well. So these are great spring colours, and I think the images that we have from the marketing materials don't do these cards justice, which is why I wanted to share. Now that's going straight in the bin because I'm being really good. As with all our kits, you get, look at the cards are gorgeous. You get printed instructions. I'm just checking you can see everything on the camera. You get printed instructions. These cards look absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look. Look at these die cuts. They're absolutely... Oh, this is... I think this is going to be one of my all-time favourite kits. How gorgeous are they? Absolutely. The pictures don't do them justice. And then we have... Oh, look, the pre-printed. I really like this size of card. That's gorgeous. So cute. So cute. So that's, they're the card bases. So you get 3 in that design. And then we get 3 in this design. Oops. A lovely bit of gold foiling on those. And then 3 in these gorgeous ones. I'm saying gorgeous a lot today, but it is absolutely lovely. And with all of our non-stamping kits, because it's easier for all markets, there's different languages in here. So this one's congratulations, but then you have them in German, French and Dutch also. There we go. So we've got that. And then what else have we got? We've got all the envelopes to go with, and they're not just plain, they've got a little pattern on them. So you get this kit for £14, makes 9 cards, which is fabulous. And then you've got your best wishes there, and again you've got them in other languages. And then here you've got congratulations. So it's a bit of a celebratory one for, oh look. And we also have these little glue dots, which these are your glue dots. So you don't even need glue. You probably just need some scissors. And then you get some mini foam pads, some 3D pads. And then you get these really cute, they're like little ladybirds, if you can see those, to pop on your cards. Okay, so I might just demonstrate how easy they are to put together. Okay, so all our kits instructions don't have wording on them because they're very much a picture instruction, because then it covers all different languages. So here is card number 1. So we know it's this card here. Yeah, we know it's that card there. So all it's telling us is to pop out these different die cuts. Now you are going to just have to work out which is which from the pictures, and I'm looking at that, and that looks like that one there. So I've turned them upside down and it's a little bit easier to see which is which. So that's that one, that one's that one, and then that one is that one. Okay, so A, B, C. Yep. I'm thinking, oh, why don't I need more? Because it's already printed on, just ignore me. So that's that. And then we also need the best wishes. So again, we just pop these out. Now the great thing about this is you can just keep these, you know, if you just want to have a little quick craft session, and you need a quick card, these are absolutely fabulous. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop, it just tells you to pop, that's actually glue dots rather than, okay. So the symbol for the foam pads is here, yeah, and these little circles are the glue dots. So what we do with the glue dots, I like to use the end of my scissors, okay, and pop one off. That didn't sound right, did it? That sounds a bit... Anyway, we'll see what YouTube makes of that. So, if you give a little bit of pressure, there we go, you get the glue off the back. That's going to go in the middle there. So then just rub the back, and then this backing should come off, and then the glue should be exposed. So that's A. What I'm going to do with A, tells me on my instructions that A is going to go down here. Ah, right, okay, and it matches up there. Okay. You can always check the front picture as well. Right. So that's going to stick there. And then B is this one. Whoops, that one's gone flying. If you do have a preferred glue, you can always use that on the cards, but they come with this glue, so you can, it is designed for these. And then where's it going to tell us that one goes? B, it's saying B goes up here at the top. So it just fills in these gaps. Just gives it a tiny little bit of a 3D look. Now these kits are just, I don't know if I mentioned, they are just £14. So if you're local to me and you would like one, then I'm happy to get one for you and you can arrange collection. If you're further afield and you want to order this and anything else, then the link to my shop should be in this description of the video. And then C, it tells us, goes up here. That goes right round there like that one. Okay. There we go. And then the best wish is we pop some little foam pads on the back. These are the mini foam pads, mini dimensionals. This kit is perfect for anybody who's not really done any crafting before. In fact, I know a certain young lady in my family who might like this one. So that's going to go on there like that. Oh, I love it. Look, it's got the gold foil on the dots. My nails sort of match. How cute is that? How cute. I love that. Honestly, this is one of my favourite kits that we've done. Particularly a non-stamping one. I'm going to have a go at doing one more, a really quick one, because I really, really like this size. Okay. And it's telling me that we need these two even, long pieces. So I've just realised, I think, that one of these sheets does all three different style. So though I'm presuming that what's left does the other card, and then the other two sheets do the other two sets of three, if that makes sense. Okay, so all we're going to do with this one is it's telling us to, it's that, congratulations, to pop that out and pop some 3D pads on the back of that. Okay, and then all we're going to do with these is pop one there. I think, is it that one? No. That one's going to go in there like that. Oh, this is so cute and so easy. And then this one goes in here like this. Yeah? Now, I'm just going to use my regular glue, she says, if I've got one handy here, just to make it easier, quicker. if you want to add one of these onto your order, this is a multi-purpose glue, and honestly one of these glues will last you ages. Do let me know if you can hear the piano. Okay, and then it is telling us at the end here that we should put 3 of those little ladybirds on. So again, the scissors do come in very handy here, just to get them off on the end. And it's saying pop one there. Oh, they look so cute in between the flowers. Did we need ladybirds on the other one and I've missed it? There we go. I don't know if we did. I might have missed a step. Yes, we did. Look, you're supposed to put them on the other one. So I've probably got you all shouting at the screen, saying to me, look at that, how cute is that? And that literally took minutes to make. Very, very cute. So I did miss off the ladybirds. There's 3 on here. Honestly, I often buy the kits and I never look at them properly. I don't have time. And I had a little bit of time this afternoon and I thought, you know, I'm gonna look at the kit and film a video. This is so impressive. So impressive. There we go. Now I did the ladybirds. I do hope you've enjoyed this short video. Here are my 2 cards I've done. And I'll share images on my social media of any more that I make. And if you would like any details, then just get in touch with me and I'd be happy to help. See you soon. Bye.